Air conditioning repair in West Valley City, UT. Reliable air conditioning repair when you need it most. At Aegis Heating and Air, we're proud to provide superior air conditioning repair service to homeowners and businesses in West Valley City, UT, and across Salt Lake County. We know how stressful it is when your cooling system stops working, especially during Utah's hottest summer days. That's why our team responds quickly with expert solutions to restore comfort and keep your home or business running smoothly. Using advanced diagnostic tools, we identify the issue and make efficient repairs that last. With a focus on customer satisfaction, professionalism, and affordable service, we're the trusted choice for AC repair in the community. If it can't wait, our 24/7 emergency HVAC repair team is ready to help.